Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn to Love DIY. Today I'll be showing you March's paper pumpkin. I'm going to go ahead and open it. I have not looked inside. And we can go ahead and take a look together. Now I'm not sure if you guys know, but today's paper pumpkin, or March's paper pumpkin, has a special surprise for all its subscribers, an extra stamp set. And since this is my first box, there should be a little block for me to use. Alright, there's my welcome note card, and then my block. And this will be good enough to fit any of the items that come with my kits. I'm getting a basic gray stamping spot and two fabulous sets of stamps. Let me go ahead and let's see if this will help a little bit, or not quite. Let me try grabbing a white piece of paper. I want to make sure that you're able to see the images. This one has a couple of clouds, a couple of sentences. Let love grow. You are capable of amazing things. No matter the weather, we're in this together. Wishing you brighter days ahead. And then a couple of like the raindrops, hearts, shapes of flower, and a couple other little details for the background. So we have that. And then we also have this larger stamp set with the cute little front of a home, some planter boxes. I think these are like flowers for this one here. I think that's a double image. And then this cute little, I think these go with these flowers here. And then some cute little boots that you can fill in with this pretty little design. A cute little bunny and a sentiment that says, I believe in you. I think this is the better way to show it. I'm hoping that you're able to appreciate it. We're only going to do the unboxing today. And then for another of my projects, I'll try to make some of these items here. Alright. So everything you need in the box. These are the 3 cards that you can make using this kit. And let's go ahead and get this guy open. Okay. Ooh. You got some glue dots. I think these are like raindrops. I haven't seen these before. Ooh, little gems. Little gems in the form of like droplets. And then you got some twine. Some Stampin' Dimensionals. We've got some envelopes for the cards. Oh, and these are actually lined. Let me see if I can turn these around. So you have 3 different colors, if I'm not mistaken. Look at those beautiful colors. And then you have your base cards. Well, actually, this last sheet is, oh, there you go. And then, as I was saying, you've got some cute little cards there. So 4 of each design, if I'm not mistaken. So 4 of those. And then I've got 4 of these guys, I believe. Yep. And then I've got 4 of this design. And then you do have your punch outs. You have a bunch of little cute tags circled. And then these beautiful images here for your cards. There you have it. That is March's Paper Pumpkin. And again, let me go ahead and show you the different projects that are on here. I do believe. I do not see the instruction card that they normally send out. I'll have to see if I'll be able to find it online. But you can always go to paperpumpkinhowto.com in order to get the instructions once again. But then again, if you did want to create your own cards using the kits that you just received in the different stamp sets, because you did get 2 of them this month. If you signed up for the March Paper Pumpkin Kit, you'll be getting both of these. Then you can go ahead and create beautiful cards using the cards and envelopes that you got here. They're already somewhat prepped in the cutouts, and then you can create some alternative projects with these stamp sets. I hope that you've enjoyed this tutorial. I will go ahead and link my online 24/7 Stampin' Up! Online store so that you're able to purchase any Paper Pumpkin Kit or any of the other items that you've seen in my previous videos. Or you can feel free to email me at learntolovediy@gmail.com if you have any questions. I'm constantly checking my email, and I hope you have enjoyed the unboxing of this month's Paper Pumpkin. Thank you very much for watching, and you guys have a great day.